Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. So last night I smoked some barbecue beef ribs and I accidentally deleted my clips of preparation. Well, okay, so what you missed was me putting some olive oil on the ribs, salt, pepper, garlic pepper, and some Stubbs barbecue rub. And now let's get them on the grill. Okay, we'll get these on. Over here. Let them go at 225 for about 2 hours. Check them. I'll check them about probably an hour and a half. We'll go from there. Okay, let's check out the ribs. Oh, they're looking good. Juicy. Yep, time to wrap. Oil. That's all. The ribs. Get these off. Get them in foil. Meat side down. Add a little beef bouillon to it. Put it back in, meat side down, by another hour. Let the fat break down. We want to get the internal temp probably around 200, 202, something like that. So we'll let it go for a while. We'll check it. Let me get it wrapped up. Set them over on this side for right now. Alright, let them go. Ribs have been on for an hour and 15 minutes. Let's give them a check. I'll get them off of there, open them up, check them out. Let's get them opened up. Well, they certainly look good. Stick a probe in them. Well, it's going in really super soft. So we're going to get some barbecue sauce on them. 196. Put them on for about 25 minutes. And take a bite. Okay. Got them turned over. With a nice pullback. Get some barbecue sauce on them. Since the wife likes them wet, it's barbecue. Okay, back. Let's get them back on. Here we go. 20-30 minutes, we'll be all done. Delicious. Let's get a bite for you. Yeah, I don't do the taste test. There's no need in you watching me eat, but I will tell you those are some of the best ribs that I've ever had.